Hey guys, it's me, Alexandra Porsawa, and I'm here to show you some stuff that I've been doing. But let's get to the point. So here are funny moments that I have been doing, so I'm going to show you. And yeah, so let's go and enjoy the show. Okay, so you see, we have a bird cage. Dixie, where is that cat anyway? Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so we have that. Okay, we have a swing. Okay, and we have a. What are you doing there?
Oh, I'm only dancing, Stephanie. Woohoo! On the bench, oh.
Are you kidding me? Okay, stay there. How did you walk with a bed? Nah, that's impossible.
Hey, Stephanie!
I am so out of here.
What about me? Okay, I'm coming.
Why is there an awkward, bird something there? Okay, this is really awkward. Why? Why is this right here in the path of the middle of nowhere? Okay, I'm so out of here right now. Hey, what's wrong? Oh, it's that bird nest over there. I don't know how it went there, but anyway, I walk and there's an awkward bird thing right there. You see? Right there, the awkward thing right here. Can't you see? Are you? Huh? Can you see? I think I'm gonna be sick. Okay. Yeah, okay. I am so weird.
Woohoo! Woo!
What is the matter with you, Marjolaine? Can't you see you jump scare me?
Crypto, you need to help me! Right away!
What is it? What is it? Did Dixie broke her leg again? Is Dixie okay? Is she? What?
No, Dixie's okay! No, it's about me!
What? What happened? Did you broke your leg? Did you hurt yourself? Did something happen bad?
No, none of that! I'm broken now!
Don't bother me. Did I say something wrong? Crypto? Just bug off, Marjolaine. Continue your thing. Where is Ace? Ace, where are you?
Can't you say I was sleeping? I was sleeping in a nice little bed. Just relaxing, having fun, until you screamed in my ears.
Sorry, I was just wondering, have you seen Kodiak? Someone asked me. Oh, there you are, Kodiak. I was just wondering, isn't there something suspicious about some stuff? You know, Larry, you're not making any sense at all. Really, you're not making sense. How did you get here? What the hell? He just disappeared! Where did he go?
You know, guys, I think this is going to be a little creepy around here. I think
I might need to go somewhere. Guys, how did he appear beside me? I think I'm gonna go. I think Valerie's calling me.
Yeah, Crypto's calling me. Bye.
Wait, guys, this isn't funny. Don't let me here with that guy. Bye.
I think everybody is kind of scared right now. Okay, so I think we need to cut this out. Well, there will be a part 2. Well, yeah, I don't know what to say anymore.
Hey guys, for the people that are watching this, well, I just wanted to tell you that I'm gonna make more of these funny moments, but there will be more funnier than that, and I will also do the scary moments if you guys are interested. And yeah, and I'll see you later, guys. Bye.